Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss what is ladder logic. A ladder logic is a programming language that mainly used in developing programs or softwares for programmable logic controllers, which are used in industrial applications. The language is evolved from originally being a method for documenting the design and construction of relay racks used in manufacturing and process control, with each relay contact or relay coil being represented by a symbol on the diagram. The ladder language is quite useful for programming simple yet critical systems or for converting old hardwired relay logic control panel system into new PLC based systems, which can be programmed over and over again. This means that we have our inputs and outputs being directly connected to our PLC, and ladder logic or any other program for the operation is loaded in the PLC memory, hence reducing the hardwiring and relay contacts, which often burns, malfunctions, and leads to frequent breakdowns. The idea behind the ladder logic is that even technicians without programming backgrounds can quickly program, since it makes use of conventional and familiar engineering symbols for programming. This is a classic hold-on circuit using two switches and a contactor to start a motor. If I press green button, the contactor gets energized and hold on via normally open auxiliary contact. If I press the stop switch once, it will cut the power going to the contactor coil, hence de-energize the contactor. Let's put a PLC in this circuit, and now our switches are going to be directly connected at X0 and X1 input respectively, and the contactor coil is connected at Y0 output. This is a ladder logic to make a simple hold on logic for the output Y0. Sidebars are called as rails, and the logic flow is from the left to the right side. One line in the ladder logic is called as rung. If all contacts on the one rung are closed, it will energize the output bit. If I press the green button with the normally open contact once, it will energize the output coil at Y0. Because the path is completed, as I have used normally closed contact for the stop switch. Now if I release the green push button, the output coil stays energized, as now the path to the output coil is closed via its own normally open auxiliary. Now to de-energize the output coil, we will press the stop button once. It will cut the path as it is used as normally closed contact. By pressing stop switch, it will open that contact. Now this is the basic example to understand the ladder logic.